guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install csharp in Visual Studio 2026. So to get the Visual Studio 2026 in Google search box, write the Visual Studio, then click on this link. There you can download the community version or other version. You can also use this. So you can get community, this is free, or professional, this trial is there. Insider, and if I scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio Enterprise. So this that I'm going to download. You can try the same thing with the community and the professional. So this downloaded, simply you need to click this. Then after installation wizard, click on this continue. So this here Visual Studio installer, getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Then you can get this option. For csharp, you need to select this option. Then you can see Windows Form, Console Application, Visual Basic. This you need to select. So here for .NET Development UI, so you can do the development of Android, iOS, or this here csharp. And this for mobile development. And this is for ASP.NET. Now if I scroll down, you can see others options are available. For csharp, you need to select this option. After selecting, simply you need to click on this install. So this here, Visual Studio Enterprise 2026 here, or downloading the files currently. Total size around the 2 GB, and here this also installing there. So this will take some time to complete this. You can see Visual Studio Enterprise 2026. That's the download and install. Thereafter, simply you need to click on this launch button. And here you have the option to sign in with Microsoft GitHub or create a account. So they're going to click on this escape, and thereafter dot that selected there. Click on this start. There you can create a new project. Let's click this. Then here csharp, let's select there. You can create here console application, or here different Windows form you can create there. This all are available. So console application .NET framework, that's selecting there. Then selecting csharp, that selected console application. Thereafter simply you need to click on next button. Console app, that's fine. Click on this create. So click on this create here. That's compare. So this are for Copilot chat. If you want, then you can use this. So simply first they are going to print the hello world. So let's write there console dot write line and double quote hello world. Now control S to save. Then this place debug, start without debugging. So this is now hello world, that's the display. Now the next is here. Let's click on this project solution. So csharp, that's selected. .NET framework not selecting this time, simply selecting the console app. Then this here, second. So here you can select your .NET framework. 10 is, that's fine. So here don't use top level statement. If you want to, then you can use this. Enable native. Okay, I'm checking this one. Let's leave that default and click on create button. So when you're using this, there is here, you cannot see any packages or namespace are there. Simply you can directly get their console application. But when you click here, start without debugging, this will also return the same output. So this is now running here. You can get the hello world that's the display. So this is how we can do the installation of C# inside the Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.